Microsoft Excel, one of the most widely used business tools in the world. But for many organizations, Excel becomes more than a spreadsheet. It becomes a mission-critical system. Businesses rely on it for reporting, data analysis, forecasting, workflow management, and operational tracking. The challenge? Most companies only scratch the surface of what Excel can truly do. That's where Winning Solutions, Inc. steps in. Since 1996, we've helped businesses unlock Excel's full potential through custom programming and automation. Our developers transform everyday spreadsheets into powerful, automated systems tailored to your workflow. Imagine Excel applications that update automatically, generate reports instantly, and reduce manual entry. With custom VBA development, we create intelligent solutions that save time and boost productivity. WSI has served clients nationwide, from Iowa to Florida and around the globe. Whether you're managing finances, tracking operations, or building reports, we make Excel do the heavy lifting. Ready to turn Excel into a powerful business system? Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com. Winning Solutions, Inc. Custom technology for a smarter, more efficient business.